Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete your Temu account. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Now, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on your profile icon. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, look for account security at the top and tap on it. Here, you'll see your account details. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find an option called Delete Your Temu Account. Tap on it. Next, check the option that says, I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Then tap Continue. Now, you'll be asked to select a reason for deleting your account. Choose any reason and tap Continue. After that, Temu will ask you to verify your identity using a verification code or your Google account. For this tutorial, I'll choose email verification. Temu will send a verification code to your email. Once you receive it, enter the code in the provided field to verify your identity. After verification, your deletion request will be submitted and your account will be deleted within 7 business days. If you change your mind and want to cancel the deletion request, simply sign into your account before the deletion is completed. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.